When your YouTube channel meets the YouTube monetization requirements, which is 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, YouTube will invite you to apply for the YouTube Partner Program so that you can be earning money from AdSense revenue. After application and you have been accepted into the YouTube Partner Program, you will be requested to verify your AdSense account, because the AdSense account is where your YouTube ads revenue will be sent to, so that it can be paid to your bank account. And to receive this money, you need to make verifications with some documents that are required by YouTube. If your channel has not met the YouTube monetization requirements, that is more reason why you need to watch this video to the end now. Because the information you will get from this video will save you from a lot of stress and frustration. In this video, I will tell you the documents that you need, the ID card for verification, the types of ID card that is accepted. I will also tell you how you can get your PIN verification, because they will need address verification for you to get your PIN. A lot of YouTubers, especially those in Africa and Nigeria in particular, they struggle to get this PIN. I will tell you the easy way out to get your PIN across to you. In addition, I will also tell you one important thing about filing your tax report for non-US residents. This will save you from getting deduction of 30% tax from your YouTube AdSense revenue. Furthermore, in case you requested for your AdSense PIN and you did not receive it, or you do not have a post office in your area where you reside, then I will tell you how you can be able to verify your AdSense account without the AdSense PIN. So do well to watch this video to the end so that you don't miss any important information. Before I begin, let me introduce myself. In case you're meeting me for the very first time, my name is Popka Innocent. I'm a digital marketer and a YouTube content creator. On this channel, Grow with Popka, I teach how to start, grow, and monetize your YouTube channel fast. If you are interested in this, then go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Click on the subscribe button below and turn on the bell notification so that you'll be the first to see my next video as soon as I publish them. Have you subscribed now? Alright, comment below and I'll give you a special shout out. Now, let's dive into the video proper. While applying for the YouTube Partner Program, which is the YouTube monetization, you are going to be asked for ID card verification. Therefore, they will request for a valid government ID card. And these are the 4 types of ID card that they accept. Number 1 is your passport, which some people refer to as international passport, but it's called passport. The second means of identification that is accepted is driver's license. So in case you have a driver's license, you can also use that for verification. If you don't have these two, the third one that is accepted is residence permit. In case you're an immigrant, then you can use your residence permit to verify your AdSense account. And the fourth one is your national ID card. In the case of Nigeria, most of us have our NIN slip. In my first channel, what I used in verifying my AdSense account was my NIN slip. My brother also used his NIN slip to also verify his own AdSense account. Recently, I heard from some of my students who monetize that they did not accept their NIN slip. Therefore, it is important that before your channel gets to the monetization stage, to be on the safer side, just secure your passport, which some of you call international passport, or driver's license as the case may be. Those ones will work very fast. But for those in other countries outside Nigeria, you can use your national ID card or your resident permit. It works very fine. Before I continue, do well to like this video. Just click on the like button below. Have you done that now? Alright, let's continue. After you have done your ID verification, the next verification they will ask you to do is your address verification. They want to be sure that you are actually staying in that country that you claim and you are going to be receiving your earnings in that country. After the ID card verification, you can now turn on ads on your videos and ads will start running. Now, they are going to give you a period of 4 months. It's usually 4 months for you to verify your address, okay? After the 4 months period and you don't verify your address, they are going to demonetize the channel until you verify your address. Now pay attention. For you to verify your address, you are going to enter your address at the AdSense dashboard where you have address verification area. You will see all that when you get to that stage, okay? After entering your address details, there is something that they request for, and that is your zip code or postal code. Pay attention. This zip code or postal code they are requesting for is where they are going to send your AdSense pin to, okay? So ensure that you use the correct postal code or the zip code. Don't just use anyhow postal code. In case you don't know the postal code of the postal office close to you, go there and verify their postal code. Use the postal code of a functional postal office within your area or in your state, so that when they send this pin, you can go there and get your AdSense pin. Some persons may ask, where are they going to receive this AdSense pin? Actually, you will get this AdSense pin at the post office. Like I said, you must use the zip code of that post office where you want to receive this AdSense pin. It usually comes in an envelope, and that is where you will get it. The sad reality is that when you are filling this address where they are going to be sending this AdSense pin to, the column for phone number is at the third column. They usually have your address 1, which is the first address, second address, then you not get where there is phone number. But when they are printing the information for this AdSense pin that they will send to your post office, they are not going to include that third one. They usually cut out the third one where there is phone number. So you see that they cannot call you and they will just be keeping the pin there, right? So what I advise is that when you are filling the second address, you can put the phone number at the end so that those who are at the post office can see that phone number and call you. Because the third one where you fill the phone number, that side will be cut out when they are printing for the AdSense. That's why you see that if you go to post office, you will see heap of AdSense pins of people lying there because there's no phone number to call and they could not reach out to them. Those people don't even know that their pin is at the post office. In the case of Nigeria, most of you will agree with me that most of these postal offices are no longer working. In some states, you barely see up to 3 postal offices that are still functioning well. So in case you're in a state where there is no functional postal office, then you can use the address of your friend or your own sibling living in another state for this verification so that the person can get the AdSense pin for you for your verification. Then if you have tried severally and you did not still receive your AdSense pin, this is what you need to do. They usually allow 3 trials, okay? You can send another trial after 3 weeks, okay? After the first 3 weeks that you have sent and you did not still receive the pin, they will allow you to request for another pin. When you request for another pin and you did not see, after another 3 weeks, you can still request for the third pin. After these 3 trials and you did not still receive this pin, then they will give you an alternative to troubleshoot so that you can still verify your address. There is troubleshoot area for your AdSense to access this. If you don't want to use that troubleshoot button, then you can just simply go through the YouTube support team on your studio and you'll be able to troubleshoot this, okay? You will speak with the YouTube support team member and the support team will ask for maybe your utility bill, or they can still request for the ID card you use for the ID verification, or they can request for your bank statement that has that address that you use for the AdSense verification. Any of these documents will be used in substitute for the AdSense pin, and with this you'll be able to verify your address and start receiving your earnings. The minimum payment threshold is $100. So when you earn up to $100, YouTube is going to process your payment usually at the 21st of every month. They'll process your payment and send it to your bank account, where you can go and withdraw your money and use it to buy suya or eat jollof rice. Some of you may ask, where are you going to be receiving your money? You will receive your money in a dollar account. So if you do not have a domiciliary dollar account, you need to create it in time before then, okay? Get everything ready. You can create this account in any of the commercial banks in your state. For those in Nigeria, you can create this in GT Bank, Wema Bank, Zenith Bank, First Bank, Access Bank. Any of these banks work. I hope you are learning. The best you can do for me is to like this video if you have not done that. Just click on the like button below. Have you done that? All right, let's continue. The last important thing I want to talk about in this video is filling your tax information. There is a column for tax information in your AdSense account. They will ask you to fill your tax report for non-US residents. This is to say that you are not doing your business in US. If you don't do this, they are going to assume that all your audience are from the US and they will deduct 30% for tax from your YouTube earnings every month. If you don't want this, then since you are not residing in the US, go ahead and fill the tax report for non-US residents so that they will not deduct the tax for your earnings that you earn from audience in other countries. For that of US, they will deduct that tax when they are processing your payment, okay?